there. Yeah, we got a lot of stuff to get into. Okay, so there's a sneaker that everybody is talking about, and I see a whole lot of people wearing it. Now, this sneaker sells out like hotcakes, and actually today is going to be the first time that I'm ever seeing this pair of sneakers in hand. Now, I was actually able to get this sneaker and the other sneakers and the clothing all thanks to New Balance because they are sponsoring today's video. New Balance wanted to see the fits I could put together, choosing my favorite items from their website, so I went ahead and got a whole lot. So today I'm going to show you guys what I got, some of my favorite sneakers, some of my favorite clothing from New Balance, and the great thing about a lot of this stuff in this video, you can find it all on their website. So again, at the end of the video, if you want to go and check out anything that you saw here today, go and visit the description and you'll find links for everything down there. So with that being said, I got a mountain of boxes and stuff to take you guys through. We got clothing, we got sneakers, we got incredibly hyped sneakers that I'm excited about, so let's get into it. Now, we've got a pretty wide range of different stuff from New Balance. I got some pants, some shorts, some t-shirts, a bunch of different stuff. So I'm going to show you guys my favorite stuff that you can get right now from New Balance's website. One of the first things I got, pretty simple, pretty easy to, you know, chuck on and style with a bunch of different stuff, is a pair of their shorts. So this is the New Balance Fortitech shorts, and they feel incredible when you're wearing them, like super comfortable. I really like the way that they kind of fit, like they're a little bit tighter around the waist, and then they just kind of have that little bit of a baggy look. Now again, Fortitech, it's kind of a little bit more towards the sporty side, so a great pair of gym shorts. However, because of the material, it's just kind of like a fabric. These are going to be great just wearing around the place. The New Balance 5740, however, look at this colorway I got. So I still think hands down the gray day New Balance 5740 is like my favorite. Also the protection pack colorway is insanely nice. However, I was like, you know what, I want to try something a little bit different. I want to switch it up. So I don't know how much you can pick up on camera, but if you look at the upper and I guess the midsole as well, it has these marks all over it, like it's been worn. It has this aged effect, and then of course you get the paint splatter on the laces and the N logo over there, which I thought actually looks super cool. Very budget friendly pair of sneakers. Most of them you can get for under $100. It's the same thing with the 327, where some of them cost a little bit more than others. This t-shirt right here got the embroidery on the chest, same as the one I'm wearing over here, and then you've got this New Balance logo on the back of the neck. Now, one of my favorite things about this t-shirt, and I guess this crew neck that I'm wearing, is the really high neck collar, so it kind of fits super nicely. I really like the high neck on these. All right, we got a pair of cargo pants. So this is the New Balance woven cargo pant, and again, the material on here feels really good, and the way that they look when they're on is super nice. I went for a size small. That is my true to size typically with joggers, because I am like a 30 waist, so I do need something a little bit smaller, but these cargo pants are a dope option from New Balance. All right, let me show you guys this pair of sneakers because these just recently released. So you get a little dust bag in here, get a bunch of different colorways for laces. This is the New Balance 990 V3. They did bring this V3 back, and as soon as I saw it on End Clothing launch pages, I was like, I gotta try and get me one of these. I like the 990 V5, however, this V3 just has a kind of a little bit more of an aggressive look to it, which I really do like, and it also has this version 3 red tag, as well as on the back there's some more red accents, which I do really like with this sneaker as well. The materials, the craftsmanship is nailed, as you would expect from New Balance. Right, another item that I'm gonna be chucking on and styling is the New Balance Anorak. Now this thing is pretty dope. Again, I went for a little bit of a simpler look. It's just all over black. You do have the New Balance logo on the front. This has a 3/4 zip and a really nice high neck, so I think that's gonna look super cool when you're wearing this around. Like, as you can see when I'm styling it, I think this looks pretty decent. Some other things that I really do like is the cuffed wristbands. That's something that just kind of makes it sit super nice on the body. And then one of my favorite things is the elasticated waistband kind of thing at the bottom, so you can kind of toggle it so it's a little bit tighter, and I really like the way that that looks. All right, another pair of pants, and these I actually really like. These are gonna be incredibly versatile. So this is again that Fortitech New Balance pant. So again, it's similar to those shorts. It's a little bit more in the athletic direction. However, I feel like these are kind of like your every day. You can wear them to the gym, or you could chuck them on as lifestyle. They're very light and they just kind of fit pretty damn perfectly. Like, they've got the ankle cuff, so again, something I like because it makes it a little bit more versatile, and they are definitely super comfortable. They're stretchy, again, something you can wear to the gym, or you can just wear it around. I love pants like this. Definitely a solid pickup. Of course, I gotta get a hoodie in here as well, and this one, I felt like as soon as I saw this color combo, I just had to pick this up. So this is kind of like a cream or very light, I guess off-white kind of color for the base of this hoodie, and then on the chest you have this huge brown embroidered New Balance branding, similar to the one I've actually got on. This is all embroidered as well. All right, this is a pair I'm super excited about because I actually own a pair of this model. This is the New Balance 327, and this colorway is incredible. So this pair right here is my personal pair that I've been wearing and beating down for a while now, so it's like super dirty, but I actually did the whole double lace thing to match the N logo on the side. When I got the opportunity to grab another pair, I was like, hell yeah. And this is the colorway I went for. This is kind of like a brownish oatmeal vibe mixed with the bright white. Now, some of the things I really like about the 327, first of all, the price point. Like, these things are super affordable. They're about 70 to 80 pounds here in the UK, depending on what style of the model you get. Some of them cost a little bit more. They're all under $100, which is the important thing. So yeah, this is another dope pickup. I know I'm going to be rocking these a lot. Let's get into the next one. Next up, I picked up a Crewneck. You cannot go wrong with the classic green New Balance Crewneck. I went for this green because it just screams New Balance. With sizing, I actually probably should have gone up a size to a large. I went with a medium because I didn't quite know how this would fit. But yeah, I would definitely say I would probably go for a large. It's a little bit tight, which is something that, again, if I could do it again, I'd be getting a large. But other than that, generally speaking, this is a kind of regular fit, not an oversized. All right, and now for the final sneaker pickup. This is the one, this is the hyped one that everybody is talking about and everybody is after. This one right here. Let's pull it out because I'm sure you, I mean, you guys know what the box is. You guys have probably seen this box over and over as well. The New Balance Aimé Leon Dore 550. So yeah, if you guys have been kind of like me and you haven't got yourself a pair of these, it's because they keep selling out. It's because they are harder to get. I think the really dope thing about this collaboration is that it kind of brought back the 550 silhouette in and of itself. So all of those regular models, all of those regular colorways are starting to be released. Now, even though those ones are selling out and those colorways actually look pretty similar to the Aimé Leon Dore ones, like Aimé Leon Dore hasn't done that much to the sneaker model itself. Yeah, they've added some vintage vibes, the cracked N logo effect, the yellowed out or sail colored outsole. Now the 550 model is something that is a little bit more specific to if you're gonna like these or not. They do have a very retro vibe. Now this sneaker does have the whole Nike Dunk vibe or the Adidas Forum vibe for that matter, so it is that kind of retro style. So again, that's very in right now, and if you're someone who's rocking with a lot of those retro sneakers, this is probably, I mean, this is definitely better quality than those Dunks. So yeah, I can just feel the material feels amazing. Super thick leather and just amazing craftsmanship. Like in general, you can beat these up and they are still going to look super clean. In fact, they actually might look better with a little bit of age. The regular 550, New Balance restocks them pretty regularly. Again, if you're after anything you've seen in today's video, go and check the description. It should all be linked down there. Thank you so much, New Balance, for sponsoring today's video. Thank you so much, guys, for coming through and hanging out for yet again another one. But that pretty much wraps it up, guys. That is all I got. Thank you so much for coming through, hanging out, liking, commenting, and of course subscribing. I'll catch you guys in the next one. But until then.